If Google Chrome has been acting up, crashing, freezing, or just not loading the way it should, then this video is going to help you fix it fast. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to repair Google Chrome on Windows using a built-in option that can fix common problems without needing to reinstall everything from scratch. This is a simple method, and you can follow along step by step even if you're not very technical. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's go ahead and get started. First, press Windows and S on your keyboard to open the search bar. This is the quickest way to find system settings and tools on your PC. Once the search box appears, type Control Panel. When Control Panel shows up in the results, click on it to open the classic Windows settings window. Inside Control Panel, look for the option that says Uninstall a program. Click that to open the list of installed programs on your computer. Now scroll down through the list until you find Google Chrome. Take your time and make sure you select the correct app. Once you find Google Chrome, click on it once to highlight it. After that, look at the top of the window for the repair option and click on it. Windows will now begin the repair process for Google Chrome. This can help fix missing files, browser glitches, and other issues that may be causing problems. Wait for the process to finish, and once it's done, try opening Chrome again to see if the issue has been resolved. In many cases, this quick repair is enough to get Chrome working properly again without losing time or changing your browser setup. And that's it. You've successfully repaired Google Chrome on Windows. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.